particular session, in this particular module, we'll be looking into MLOps, so machine learning and its operation. So what exactly we're going to do is we'll be deploying machine learning models on the cloud. So this session would basically be this agenda. So what is MLOps? Why do you need MLOps? The process of MLOps, and then I'll be showing you a tool called Azure Machine Learning. We'll be learning the ins and outs of the Azure Machine Learning tool, which you can use for various purposes. So once that is done, so basically we'll be indulging you in a project which will include Azure, which will include Kubernetes, Docker, which will include k-means clustering. So basically, which will include various tools, and also it will basically show you how you can deploy a machine learning model into the Azure environment in the Kubernetes service. So that would be one of the capstone projects of this particular course. So that would be either covered immediately after this, or it will be covered once you've learned everything which needs to be before moving on to the project. So in this particular module, we'll be learning extensively about the Azure Machine Learning tool. Let's start with what is MLOps from the next